Hi. So in this video tutorial, we will learn about what is basically programming, and we will use C++ programming language for this purpose. And so we have seen that we communicate with each other, and we speak languages. People speak English as I am speaking now, and different regions have their own languages. So what do we need to do when we want to talk with computer? So programming languages are the languages which are used to actually talk to computers. So in technical sense, it was just a generic view, and in a technical sense, programming is a set of sequence to carry out a specific task. C++ is a high level programming language. It is also object oriented programming language. So what is high level? High level is basically near to human language, and low level is basically the machine language. So we write code, and the compiler or IDE in which we work and we code, it converts the code into machine language which machine understands and carry out order. Compiler is a computer program that translates our code into machine language. So in case of C++, we can use Microsoft Visual Studio, we can use code blocks, and we can use DevC++, DevC Turbo. There are many IDEs for C++ we can use. So lastly, the applications of C++ are very vast, in which some well-known applications are game development and system or operating system development. So we will come towards our code and we will carry out our first task. Here I am using Microsoft Visual Studio. I will put a link in description from where which you can download Microsoft Visual Studio 2019, and we will carry out and code our first task. So let us get started. I will write sharp include iOS stream. So what is sharp include? Sharp include is in iostream is basically the header file which will carry out all our tasks which are we going to use in this program. So it is our main syntax of writing. We will write every program every using these. So using namespace std. It is our subheader file which will carry out our task, and then directly we will come to our int main function int main. So this is the general syntax we will follow in our each and every code we will write. First of all, we will write cout and with insertion hello world and semicolon. Remember to put semicolon on every statement at the end of every statement. So we will compile this task, and now our compiler will run, and it will translate our code into machine language, and machine will understand and carry out our task. So in this case, this program will print a simple hello world.